Okay, everyone, I'm back, and let's hope that this YouTube is better than the past ones. I want to go over the midterm with you. I'm going to open this up probably 2 weeks ahead of time once the people who are not going to stay in the class have left. And hopefully you will start checking with the people who are going to be on your team or in your group and work with them as you do your other forums so that you begin to build a rapport. First thing I want to do is read what the midterm assignment is. So basically what you're going to do is read in Why Union Matters, which is the Michael Yates book, pages 159 to 162. And it's called The Intersection of Race and Gender. And there's examples that begin with new organization in garment workers and ends with action for home healthcare workers. Then I want you to go to a link that is down here further, and it says minimum wage jobs. If you click on that, you will see it opens up, and there is another link that gives you different minimum wage jobs to choose from. And you can choose from those jobs. Let me see if I can get over to that. Here you go. Nursing assistant, childcare provider, emergency medical technician, etc. Those are minimum wage, or I should say, an unorganized jobs. So I'm going to close that off. You can choose from there, or as I write in the paper, you can also choose from a Walmart people already in the fast food organizations that we've been seeing in the paper. So you choose as a group. So that means you need to get on your Wiki, and I will explain that in a second, and give your ideas as which group of people you would like to organize. So you choose your group of people, all right? And then from there, your group has been randomly assigned, so I have no input into it at all. The computer did it. So who you have is who you're going to work with. So hopefully you will all learn a lot from each other. So each group member should come with at least one idea all the time. Every day or so you should share your ideas on the Wiki. Then you critique each other's ideas and come to a conclusion of what group and what issues to write about. After each contribution that you make, add your initials. For example, I would put in go undercover and work at McDonald's to organize. And then next to that, I put GM. So in case you don't watch the YouTube, I put my name, Gosha Maffei, there, so you would know who the GM is. This way, we get to see, as we go through the process, who has been participating. So after every idea that you post, make sure you put your initial. And then let's see. So you will be given up to 50 points for your participation. And I think I just switched that around. So I need to change that. You'll be given up to 25 points for your participation, 25 points for the 50 points for the quality of the group submission, and up to 25 points based on your evaluation of yourself and other members of the group. So that's 3 separate papers are going to be submitted. One paper is going to be submitted by someone you choose for the whole group. That is your group grade. If the group comes up and they get a total 50 points for that, everybody in the group gets 50 points, unless you've never shown up. So you get 50 points as a group. Then you get your individual points based on your evaluations of what you've graded each person. So say I'm in the group with a woman named Jill Hagan. And Jill Hagan has come to class every single day. She's come to the Wiki. She's given good ideas. She's participated. She's added some extra things, tried to make it readable for the rest of us. I would give Jill Hagan an A. Jill would also get, and then I would grade everyone else in the group. Finally, I have to do my own evaluation. I was not as diligent as Jill, although I did give ideas. So I would give Gosha Maffei an A or a B. All right? Now, if somebody didn't come at all, I'd give them an F, and I would put my explanation is they never came to the class. or came to the class and never provided any information. So let me see why I'm here. I'm going to change this, and then you all can see how this happens. I'm going to go and update this here, which is how I update everything when you say that you will give up to 25 points. So we're going to make that a 25. We're going to make this, your group submission, 50. So now everyone should have the information that I've put on there. And I'll just save this. And we should be back to the main page in a second. All right, so hopefully that'll answer some of your questions. Now you can see I wanted to turn that around to me, but I don't see how I can do that. So you can see, I'm going to turn it like, oh no, there is a way to do it. So